I was shocked when I started my treatment. Within 3 or 4 settings, I was able to walk like a normal person and I could stand also. तो उसके बाद में रेगुलर मेरा ट्रीटमेंट डॉक्टर साहब से चलने लगा एंड ऑलमोस्ट व्हेन द ट्रीटमेंट वाज फिनिश आई वाज 100% perfect.
Namaskar, my greetings to you all. I am Dr. Professor R.K. Tuli from Soham, the Holistic Medicare Center dedicated to promotion of positive health and total wellness, and especially for reversal of all kinds of various incurable diseases to restore positive health and total wellness, body, mind and soul. In our series, Incredible Wellness from Incurable Sickness, we bring to you today another very interesting story of a young man, Mr. Avinash Kumar, who came to this clinic. Though he was diagnosed to be suffering from osteoarthritis of his both knees, advised total knee replacement, osteoarthritis of the right hip as well as the left elbow, he was in a miserable pain. He could not even stand for 5 minutes, not even walk for 10 yards. A visit to the toilet was miserable for him. Besides, he had metabolic disorder whereby his total cholesterol was quite high and a raised uric acid. He also shared a poor libido at his young age, and he was surprised to hear when I said, while we treat all these conditions, don't blame me if your patch or bald patch on your scalp starts growing all over again. And after pulsed holistic medicine treatment for the last 4 months, this young man, as you will hear from his own mouth, the story and how well he is doing now. Over to Avinash Kumar.
Hello everybody, this is Avinash Kumar. I am a patient of Dr. Tuli, जो उनसे मैं ट्रीटमेंट ले रहा हूँ अब. And how I came here was got this information from someone that I was having a problem while walking and standing also. Not only walking, standing also. That was also a very big problem for me. उसके बाद फिर I came to know from one of my friends कि ऐसे ऐसे डॉक्टर तुली हैं जो they do the treatment and he'll cure you. First I was not 100% agree to it कि I was having a problem with arthritis and it can be cured. उसके बाद फिर I met Dr. Tuli and he suggested me the treatment and all that and the days how much is going to take time to get recovered. And I was shocked when I started my treatment. Within 3 or 4 settings, I was able to walk like a normal person and I could stand also. तो उसके बाद में रेगुलर मेरा ट्रीटमेंट डॉक्टर साहब से चलने लगा एंड ऑलमोस्ट व्हेन द ट्रीटमेंट वाज फिनिश आई वाज 100% perfect and I was able to walk for 1 hour on treadmill. I was doing cycling now. I can do cross trainer. I'm doing 2 hours exercise in the gym every day. और मतलब वाकई में it was a tremendous and I couldn't believe it that I could have changed my system that way. I'm really thankful to Dr. Saab, Dr. Tuli, what he has done to me today. And my sister was having also a problem of cancer. She was having basically cancer in her lungs. She couldn't breathe properly. So I brought her to Dr. Tuli and he also treated her. And now you won't believe it, she is perfectly all right. And I think so she doesn't need any more chemotherapies also. एंड अब मैं इससे ज्यादा क्या बता सकता हूँ, मैं तो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हूँ एंड आई नीड एवरीबडी, यू शुड कॉन्टैक्ट डॉक्टर तुली एंड गेट योर ट्रीटमेंट डन फ्रॉम हिम विदाउट एनी मेडिकेशंस. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, विदाउट मेडिकेशंस आई एम गेटिंग माई थिंग्स क्योर्ड अप. And what I've told Dr. Tuli ki I'll come every month to meet you for a single treatment or not, if required or not. But I will come and meet him. What he has done to me is nothing like that. I'm really thankful to Dr. Saab.
Just for a booster.
Yes. Thank you. And seriously, I'm very happy and the team is superb. और ये एक ऐसा क्लिनिक है जहां पे आपको वेरी गुड वाइब्स you'll get. मतलब नेगेटिविटी तो आप छोड़ दो, बिल्कुल है ही नहीं. You'll get a very super vibes. Thank you, and I hope कि जो आए and they get cured up very soon. Thank you.
My friends, you have heard Avinash telling his own story in his own words that how miserable he was when he came here. His health markers, his pain was intolerable. He said it's 10 plus. Today he has no pain. He has full range of movements. He walks. He walks 4 to 5 kilometers every day. He does his treadmill, cross trainer, etc. in the gym for nearly 1 hour every day, and he's feeling youthful and energized, and he says he's never been so happy all his life. All the restrictions in his hip, knees, spine, elbow movements, etc. are all gone, and he is enjoying his health fully and all over. His total cholesterol has gone down, the uric acid has gone down, and now he reports a bang on libido. He says, I become a much better lover. At the same time, as predicted, the baldness and his scalp, the hair are growing all over. So to summarize, holistic medicine is dedicated to take care of the human being as a whole, body, mind and soul, and all the parts, all the ailments of an individual concurrently. And as in this case, in every case, without use of any medication. In fact, we have been able to get rid of all the medication that he was using before, and yet enjoying a life fully. In my words, one must enjoy a full health. No परहेज, लक्कड़ हजम पत्थर हजम, और सेहत मेरी ऐसी हो टन टना टन. Thank you, and the objective of this video is to create public awareness that there is health, there is wellness, and there is enjoyment to life beyond any system of medicine. So let's celebrate life, enjoy it fully, and with the divine blessings, we have a right. Jindagi na milegi dobara. Thank you. All the best. God bless you.